Thank you very much for East for inviting me to give this talk. I don't have any relevant disclosures. So there are many different ways in which people can be compensated, but probably the most commonly employed methods in academic surgery are financial compensation, prestige and accomplishments, and knowledge and skill sets. And then once you understand where they're coming from and what they're seeking, it's important to honestly appraise your ability to deliver and then decide if you can help each other. Can you help them? If so, make it clear how. Can they help you? What skills do you need, and what do they bring to the table? If both parties agree that they would benefit, then it's time for a frank discussion of the deliverables. First, why talk about this? Well, we all need help in our research efforts. No one can do it alone. And medicine is a field filled with people who want to help and are conditioned to say yes, but in reality there are few altruists in the world. You just don't get something for nothing. You have to reward effort for it to continue, and if you don't, it's likely that even very well-intentioned folks will drift away in a sea of competing priorities. So we need to reward the people who are helping us, but as importantly, the reward has to fit the needs and expectations of those who are helping us. To do this, you have to know both what the people helping you are motivated by, and also what is realistically within your power to offer them. This is really important. The success of your research depends on this.